For the best price, click the link in the description. But are you tired of mediocre TV viewing experiences? Therefore, we're reviewing the Samsung CRYSTAL UHD U8000F today. You might be wondering what makes this TV so special. Contrarian snapback: it's not just another 4K resolution TV, it's an immersive cinematic experience that'll transport you to a world of breathtaking visuals and unparalleled sound quality. /N. We'll dive into the details, exploring its features, pros, cons, and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. The Samsung CRYSTAL UHD boasts a stunning 4K resolution with 4 times more pixels than traditional HD TVs. However, that's not all. This beast of a TV also supports HDR10+, which enhances the viewing experience by providing a wider range of colors and contrast levels. /N. But here's what surprised me: its impressive gaming capabilities, thanks to the TV's 120Hz refresh rate and support for AMD FreeSync technology. Therefore, gamers can enjoy seamless motion and reduced screen tearing. You might be thinking, is this TV worth the investment? Well, let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: stunning 4K resolution with HDR10+ support. Impressive gaming capabilities with 120Hz refresh rate and AMD FreeSync technology. Wide viewing angles and good color accuracy. Supports Dolby Atmos and DTS audio. Cons: expensive with a higher price point than some competing models. Limited availability of HDR10+ content. But here's the thing: if you're looking for an immersive cinematic experience that'll transport you to new worlds, this TV is worth considering. Therefore, it's essential to weigh your priorities and decide whether the pros outweigh the cons. As we delve deeper into the review, I'll share my personal experience with the Samsung CRYSTAL UHD U8000F. But for now, let's reevaluate its features and see if they meet our expectations. The TV's 4K resolution is undoubtedly impressive, but what really sets it apart is its HDR10+ support. This technology enhances the viewing experience by providing a wider range of colors and contrast levels, making it perfect for movies and TV shows. /N. However, I did notice some minor drawbacks during my testing. The TV's response time could be faster, which might cause slight motion blur in fast-paced scenes, but overall, the image quality is exceptional. Now that we've explored the Samsung CRYSTAL UHD U8000F's features and pros and cons, it's time to discuss its gaming capabilities. But here's what I found: this TV is an absolute beast when it comes to gaming. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures seamless motion, while the AMD FreeSync technology reduces screen tearing. Therefore, gamers can enjoy a lag-free experience without worrying about visual compromises. You might be wondering if this TV is worth the investment for non-gamers. Well, let me put it this way. Even if you're not a gamer, the Samsung CRYSTAL UHD U8000F's 4K resolution and HDR10+ support make it an excellent choice for movie nights or binge-watching your favorite shows. But don't just take my word for it, we'll explore real-world usage and performance in the next section. As I used the Samsung CRYSTAL UHD U8000F in various settings, I was impressed by its adaptability. Whether I was watching a movie, playing games, or browsing the web, this TV performed flawlessly. /N. However, I did encounter some minor issues with the TV's menu navigation and settings. But overall, the user experience is intuitive and user-friendly. Now that we've explored the Samsung CRYSTAL UHD U8000F in detail, it's time to give you my verdict. In conclusion, the Samsung CRYSTAL UHD U8000F is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an immersive cinematic experience. Its 4K resolution, HDR10+ support, and impressive gaming capabilities make it a top contender in its class. /N. But as with any investment, weigh your priorities and decide whether the pros outweigh the cons. For those interested in purchasing this TV, I highly recommend checking out the best price on Amazon. Click the link in the description to find the most up-to-date deals and offers.